Do you know that there are different types of batteries? There are small batteries, large batteries, and even giant batteries that help provide power to vehicles. But how does it all work together, you ask? Well, if you become an electrician, you can find out. An electrician is a person who installs, maintains, and repairs electrical power, communications, lighting, and control systems in homes, businesses, and factories. Electricians can earn a degree from a trade school, which normally takes about 2 years or so. Upon completion, future electricians can apply for an apprenticeship where they can follow along an experienced electrician to learn how to be the best electrician they can be. Do you have any ideas how you can use your love electronics to make money? Maybe you can ask your parents or guardians to see if you can help them put together an item that requires batteries. But remember, ask your parents or guardians for permission before getting started. The best electricians are always thinking about safety. Until then, have an electrifying day.